In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete vertices in Blender edit mode. If you're cleaning up a model, fixing geometry, or removing unwanted details, deleting vertices is a quick and reliable way to do it. In Blender, this process is simple once you know where to look and what each option does. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, go into edit mode. Make sure the object you want to edit is selected, then switch from object mode to edit mode using the drop-down in the top left of the 3D viewport, or by pressing the tab key. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the mesh's vertices appear as little dots. For precision, switch to vertex select if needed. That's the option that highlights those small dots and lets you target them directly. Next, select the vertices you want to delete. You can click a single vertex to select it, shift-click to add more, or use familiar tools like box select with the B key, lasso select with Ctrl plus dragging, or circle select with C for brush style selection. If you need to grab vertices that are hidden behind others, enable X-ray mode so your selection goes through the mesh. Take a moment to orbit around your model and make sure you've only selected what you intend to remove. This avoids accidental holes or gaps in places you didn't expect. Now, press X or the delete key. This brings up the delete menu right where your cursor is. If nothing happens, double check that you still have vertices selected and that you're in edit mode rather than object mode. From the menu, choose vertices. This is the critical choice. Selecting vertices removes the selected points and automatically deletes any edges and faces connected to them. In other words, you aren't just removing the dots, you're removing the structure that depends on them, which will leave a clean, intentional opening in your mesh. This is ideal when you truly want that geometry gone rather than just simplified. If the result isn't what you expected, don't worry, press Ctrl plus I to undo and try a smaller selection or orbit around to confirm what's included before deleting. A quick tip: if your goal was to keep the surface intact while merging or simplifying, consider exploring dissolve operations later, but for now, choosing vertices ensures a full removal. That's it. Enter edit mode, select the vertices you want, press X or delete, and choose vertices. Practice this a few times and you'll find it becomes second nature for cleaning up your models efficiently and accurately.